To enable AI Assistant for Samsung Buds 4, first of all, you'll have to open the Settings or Galaxy Wearable application in the Android devices Wearable application and the Samsung devices Settings and go here. Now, we have to go into the Voice Controls and we have to click to set up the digital assistant. But before you do that, you can select which one. So over here, if you have multiple AI assistants, you can choose between the Google, so Google Assistant, Gemini, Perplexity. In my case, I'm gonna use Google one. So select yours. Now you have to just click over here. And now we have to set up the Google Assistant. So we have to click next. Now, as you can see, we have to access our assistant with a Hey Google. I mean, we don't have to, but we can, of course. It will be much more useful and convenient. Click to turn on, click next, and now as you can see, the assistant is ready. But of course, if you didn't set up this previously, you have to open the Google application on your Samsung phone, click on your Google account, go for the settings, and over here, what you have to do is just to go for voice match. That wasn't here. We have to pick one of the following option, Google Assistant or Gemini. Go for the voice match and make sure that you turn it on, set up your voice, and also make sure that you have enabled ten film jest takich